In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link to a section in the Hostinger website builder. Whether you're crafting a personal blog, designing a business page, or simply exploring the platform, linking different sections of your website can significantly enhance the user experience by allowing easy navigation. So let's dive into the step-by-step process. First, you'll want to head over to Hostinger's website. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do that. Once you're on your dashboard, take a look around and you'll notice a tab labeled Websites. You want to click on this tab as it will take us to the place where we can manage all the sites we've built under Hostinger. Once you're there, find the site you want to work on and click on Edit Website. This action will take you to the interface of the Hostinger website builder. It's a user-friendly environment designed to simplify the building and editing process, so you should get accustomed to it quite quickly if you aren't already. Now that you're in the editing interface, find the section you want to link by hovering over it. You'll see an option that says Edit Section. Click that option. Next, look for a tool labeled Anchor. An anchor acts like a bookmark for a page. When someone clicks your link, they will be taken directly to this predefined section. Click on Anchor to insert it into the section you're working on. After placing an anchor, it's time to ensure your website points users to this newly bookmarked section. To do this, navigate to the Pages tab in the Builder menu. Once you're there, click on Add Link. You'll be prompted to give your link a name. Choose something that clearly indicates what section the link relates to, so you can easily identify it later. Next, choose the section you want to link to using the anchor you just created. You'll see the options directly, allowing you to select the correct one without having to guess. After selecting the right section, simply click on Save. To finalize everything and make sure your new link to the section works as expected, go ahead and click on Update Website to publish these changes. This step ensures all your adjustments are live and visible to your site visitors. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can link various sections of your website seamlessly using Hostinger's website builder. It's a fantastic way to guide your audience through your content, ensuring they can find the information they need without any hassle. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips to make the most out of your web building experience.